How to delete phone number on Snapchat. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to delete phone number on Snapchat. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Snapchat application on your device. Make sure you are signed in and now tap on your Bitmoji on the top left of your screen and further tap on the settings icon on the top right of your screen. Under the My Account tab, you will see the option for mobile number. Tap on that. You will then be able to view your old mobile number. So if you simply erase the mobile number and go back, the changes will not be saved, as Snapchat does not allow this action. So if you want to delete the phone number, then erase the existing phone number and add some other number and further tap on verify. Once the number you entered is verified, your old number will be deleted from Snapchat. So this is how you can delete phone number on Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.